Hello, we are going to know about cryptography. Cryptography is the study of mathematical technique that is related with hidden aspects of information security like confidentiality, data integrity, authentication, and non-repudiation. In other words, cryptography is the study of secure communications technique that allow only the sender and intended recipients of a message to view its contents. The term is derived from the Greek word "kryptos", which means hidden. It is closely associated to encryption, which is the act of scrambling ordinary text into what's known as ciphertext and then back again upon arrival. In addition, cryptography is also used for information security, including digital signature, which is used for verification and authentication of messages that are sent on the World Wide Web. Cryptography concerned with mainly four objectives. They are confidentiality, data integrity, non-repudiation, authentication. In confidentiality, the information cannot be understood by anyone for whom it was unintended. In data integrity, the information cannot be altered in storage or transit between sender and intended receiver without the alteration of being detected. In non-repudiation, the sender of the information cannot deny at a later stage his or her intention in the creation or transmission of the information. In authentication, the sender and receiver can confirm each other's identity and the origin or destination of the information.